Hello friends, the question is convert the following binary number into decimal. So today we will learn how to change the binary number into decimal with a very simple way. So the first binary number is 1000111 and the second one is 1011100.10101. So let's start doing this. So the first one is 1001111. So the first way is doing this one. So what we will do, we will give the position number. So we have, this is 1, this is our 1. So we have given the position number 0. This is next one, 1, the position number 1. Then this one is given position number 2. Then this one is given 3. Like this 4, 5. You can give the position number of the each one. These are the values and I have given the position number. What is the meaning of the position number? It means 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. Now we will start from the MSB. It depends on you. You can start from the LSB or MSB. So I started from the MSB. So MSB, this is the 1, okay, and the position value is 2 to the power 4. So here what I have written, 1 multiplied with 2 to the power 4 plus, we will add plus, this is the 0 and its position is 2 to the power 4. So 0 multiplied with 2 to the power 4. Then the third 0. So 0 multiplied with 2 to the power 3, the position 2 to the power 3. Similarly, 1, this one is multiplied with 2 to the power 4. This one is multiplied with 2 to the power 1 and this one is multiplied with 2 to the power 0. And we have added all these position values, and when we solve it, we will get 39. It will give you 1 into 10 to the power 5 will give you 32. Okay, this will give you 32. So it is multiplied with 0, so it will be a 0 value. This is also multiplied with 0, so this will be a 0 value. 2 to the power 4, sorry, 2 to the power 2 will give you 4. 2 to the power 1 will give you 2 and 2 to the power 0 will give you 1. So when we will add 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, you will get 39. Next is alternate way. If you don't want to do this multiplication, so as you know, we have the BCD position value. So this is the 2 to the power 0. So the position value is 1, 2, 4 in terms of 2 to the power n. N is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is this. So like this you can do 32, 64, 128 like this. Now wherever the 1 is there, just add all these values. Wherever the 1 is there, position 1 is having, okay, so you can add these. So 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 39. So this is an alternate way. If you want to do it like this, so you can also do it like this. Now next section is, this is our next number 1011100.101011. So we have done it in similar way. So this is our point. I have put the point here. Now see, before the point I have given the same values 0, 1, 2, position values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For after the point, what I have started from -1, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now we will do it in similar way. Okay, so we can start from the MSB, because in my previous question I have started from the MSB. So I will start. So this is our 1. Okay, this is our 1 and the position value is 2 to the power 6. So 1 multiplied with 2 to the power 6 plus, this is 0 multiplied with 2 to the power 4. This 1 is multiplied with 2 to the power 4. This one is multiplied with 2 to the power 3. This one is multiplied with 2 to the power 2. This 0 is multiplied with 2 to the power 1. Okay, similar way, this 0 is multiplied with 2 to the power 0. And next, after the point 1, this one is multiplied with 2 to the power -1. Here you can see this 1 is multiplied with 2 to the power -1. Then next 0 is multiplied with 2 to the power -2. Then 1 is multiplied with 2 to the power -3. Then 0 is multiplied with 2 to the power -4. this is 4. Okay, it is already written here, so we can cut it. Plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. Now when you solve this one, you will get 92.65625 in decimal. Okay, so this is the in binary, this is in binary, so you can write it like this, binary 2 in base 2, and this is in base 2. So this is your solution for this question. Now I have given some practice questions also. So here these are the some practice questions. 111 001, all are in binary. Okay, all are in binary, so you need to convert it in decimal, and answers I have given it with this one. I have given the answers also. So if you want to practice it, so you can practice. So this is the solution. Similar way, this is the solution. We got 111001. This is 57 in 10 base, and this is 11110010, and you got 242 in 10 base. Okay, this is in point. So 110011.11. So you got 51.75 in base 10, and similar way 4 times 1 000.101, and you got 120.625 in 10 base. So I hope guys you got how to convert the binary number into decimal. So if you like my explanation, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.